So this is a video about the instrument. This instrument is being used now for testing of error of closure, but it will give you a sufficient knowledge of the operation of the instrument. So as you can see that 3 persons are better for this instrument performance. 2 persons are for holding the staff, one back person, a front person to hold the back staff and front staff respectively, and third person is for writing the readings. So all three may be of up to graduate or maybe the 12th pass level also. That is sufficient. They should be able to read the readings. So we will see that there is a tube in this instrument, and we have already marked the temporary benchmarks like this for the purpose of the testing, so that the level should be same and point should be same every time. So the instrument is being rounded for 3 setup disturbance to 29 setup disturbance, and 25 times each setup disturbance will be changed. So this is for the experiment purpose, but you can use it in the same way, in any way, anywhere in the road,
144.2.
bund layouts and everything.
135.2.
So actually this is the water tube, you can see. Okay, it is filled with water. So as per water vessel rule, or the rule of interconnected water levels, the both side the water level will be same. So this girl will read, she is the back side
140.4.
person. On the staff also it is written somewhere the back, where is the back written?
149.6.
This is the back actually. So this is back staff. So if any bend is there in the staff and any other disturbances are there, so it will be equally distributed between both the readings. So back, for a particular experimentation, back staff should be at the back position and front staff should be at the front position.
142.8. 140.5.
So water level at both the staffs remain same in the height, but readings will be different based on the height of the ground level. But this point will be exactly matching with that water level. So here it is. What is the reading?
142.8.
And this staff must be straight for taking the reading. So I will check the second reading, front side reading. What is this reading?
140.5.
140.5. So this reading will be called the front reading, that reading will be called the back reading. So how the calculation is done, that we will be understanding later. For the experimentation purpose, we have taken the distance of around 5 meter between the each benchmark, and this may go up to 15 meter to 20 meter also. So based on the error of closure and this rudimentary kind of instrument where the markings are up to the level, mostly people may be half centimeter level, or better it can be marked with the half centimeter level in
138.2.
field, but this has been done for level, because by permanent marker we cannot mark properly the level. So better it can be half centimeter level markings by permanent marker, and we can get these stops constructed in the by the carpenter also. And that base should not be disturbed. So this base has been covered with a metallic cover here, so that repeated erosion should not be there in that, and the height should be exactly same of both the stops and matching. So this is actually the operation, and this third person is actually reading the back reading and front reading. So remaining readings will come automatically based on the rise and fall method and the height of water level. That will be described later through a proper Excel table and the actual table. So in the field only we require to note down the back reading, front reading, back reading, front reading with the free flowing water, no force on the water. So this is the reading for the 29 times it is being rounded. So this is 20th round for the 29 setup changes. 29 setup changes will be done 25 times, so it is 20th time it is being done. So that is a little complicated, no need to understand. So this is the third person. His name is Mr. What is your name? Mohan. He is our staff person of a self-help group. These two are graduate girls. She is an agricultural graduate from which university? Okay, so she is also a team member for this experimentation. And your name?
M. Sneha.
M. Sneha. What is your qualification?
Civil Engineering BTech.
BTech. Okay, so thank you. So this is all the operational aspects of this instrument. So remaining things can be described in on the paper basis. So thank you. So one is graduate, one is 12th pass person, one is civil engineering graduate. So qualification is not a big matter in this thing. And once the error of closure is established properly up to level graduation, it can be declared for the world, for all persons, that this instrument can be used for what purpose in the Narega, in watershed, in irrigation channels, micro irrigation channels, roads, rural roads, and even if it can be found suitable as per error of closure, it can be used for aerodromes also, or maybe for any high-end applications also, but for linear manner. It is for the linear applications. जो लंबाई में स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं या लंबाई में जो लेवल्स हैं उनको लेने के लिए ये अच्छा है. तो रोड हो गए, गूल हो गए पहाड़ों में, and our irrigation channels, and any linear structure, and watershed layouts for layouts, and Narega structure layouts, and height and depth, everything it will do. So thank you very much for watching this miraculous instrument directly working in the field. I am hksolanki, working as senior assistant professor in the National Institute